Guys, so I just downloaded the ROM on Cross game on my Play Store, and I decided to show you guys what it looks like. So you could just go to your Play Store and type ROM. Um, I'll just say ROM. Click on search, and it's not this one. No, it's not this one. Don't get confused. So when you see this, you scroll up. You scroll, sorry, down. Um, until you get to this one. Yeah, this is it. ROM Golden Age on Cross. Click on it and click on download. I'm going to tell you why you should download this game. So I just downloaded mine. Of course, you can see. So just click on play. I'll show you what the setup looks like. I'm sure you're going to love it. Just be patient as it loads up. Red Lab. Confirming the latest version of the game. Make sure you have space on your device, especially if you're using a mobile device. This game, I think, somehow is for high-end mobile devices. If your mobile device is not high-end, you can use your PC. Yes, it's also available on PC. So, allow it to load up. I already set up mine, but it's not hard. I'll just show you what to do. I will show you steps to follow. At this point now, after downloading the game, at this point you'll be required to download the main part of the game. Yeah, this is the point where you have to download the main part of the game. So you just go ahead and download it. Not the one you downloaded on Play Store. Yeah, this one is a bit larger. You know what I'm talking about. For those of you who play games, you understand what I'm saying. So at this point, you select your server. I'll just click on good because I've already selected. This is Antakan. That is my server. I'll just click on it, then click on play. Yeah, that's how I do it. Yeah. Tap on the screen once you're done. Allow it to load up. So, what character are you going to use? This is where you get to select your character. This is where you get to select your character. And once you're done, you can choose the costume you want. I choose this costume. This is one of the costumes you're going to get as you get to play the game. And you also choose the name for your character. You see the name of my character. DT Cross stands for don't cross, do not cross me. Yeah, that's it. And some other things. So once you're done with that, click on start game. And it loads up just like that. Clean. Like, this game is very clean. It does not lag. And that's why I just started playing this game recently, and I've already advanced to, I think, level 31. This just happened within 24 hours, and it's crazy for the love of the game, because it's very, very, very smooth. Just like I said, trust me, it's not hard, and it's more like a movie, more like these ancient Roman movies. You just get to see different things, and yeah, here this is where you get directed around. That's where you get directed. Just click on world map and it takes you out. So, and when you do that, there's an event currently going on, for those who play this game and also creates video content around it. So if you do not really know how that works, just go ahead and ask questions. I'm going to explain to you, but one of the requirements is downloading this game, playing it, achieving 20,000 CP or cross points, and posting this video on your cross wave. Those are important requirements. So just come to this place. You see where I'm clicking. Yeah, when you click there. Every single day of you playing this game, you must do that. Then come to attendance. This is very important. Click on attendance. This is where you mark attendance, just like in your classroom. So when you click on it, yeah, you see I've just been welcomed. So I just click on receive rewards. So I just received rewards. How come I'm not saying okay day 2? I was wondering how I wasn't saying day 2. So I've received I've checked in for today. So yeah, other rewards, just come here. If you're not very familiar, whenever you see these red dots, just know that there is something there to claim. So I'll just walk around claiming all of these, claiming them one after the other, claim one after the other, claim one after the other. So I've claimed everything here in this section now. So I'll just go back. Now you can see that I still have another red dot here. That's a notification that there is something there for me to claim. So I'll just come here, scroll down. Where is it? It will carry its own red. So I'll just, wow, this is usable. Cool down 0.5 seconds. A superior guardian plate. I have a guardian plate to claim. So I'll just click on it and take it. This is what it looks like. This is amazing. Like everything is just beautiful. So I just decided to open it one after the other, but if I wanted to open all at once, I would have just clicked here, open all, So yeah, that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to click on someone. There are still more. You see the sound, the music, and the effect. So I'll just click on view all here. Everything is top notch. Like, see the video quality. See, these are the things that I've gotten access to. You see this one too. So I'll just click on it twice. Since they said it is usable, so I'll click on it twice. Open all. But how cool is that? How cool is that? How cool is that for real? So I told you you'd love the game, so I'll just click on exit. Click on this one. There are other things I'm going to show you, like how you are going to link your CrossX wallet to position for the reward and stuff. But the video is already getting long, so I'm just going to stop here. We'll see again in my next video.